Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when you're watching this video. Um, I just want to quickly look at how we can move uh, RLB to an exchange or a platform where we can exchange it um, for its value. So you all are aware that the former platform which we are using, the Lbank, recently got it delisted, and we are trying to see how we can move it. So at the moment, this is CoinMarketCap. So when you go to CoinMarketCap, you can. Okay, so when you go to your CoinMarketCap, you can search for Rollbit. There's RLB. Just go to your search up here. Okay, so you search for RLB. That is Rollbit Coin. Okay, fine. This is it. So once it opens, you look up here where you have your overview. So go to markets. So when you go to market, you can see different places where they have liquidity. You can see Uniswap, you see Goitos, Polonis, Lbank, Lsmax. So we are holding it in Lbank, but Lbank recently delisted it so because of liquidity. So right now I've been looking for options. I looked at Uniswap. The Ethereum gas fee is extremely crazy. Moving it to Uniswap is extremely high. So I've been looking for alternative on how to move um, the robot to a place whereby we shouldn't be losing all. Okay, so I later found out that we can actually do it on Binance using the Web3. So I'm going to walk us through this process step by step guide on how we can be able to move robot from Lbank to Binance. Okay, so here we go. So this is our Binance. Okay, so once your Binance opens, so I just want you to look at this place because if you check under your normal spot, you won't see it. But when you look at this particular place, you can see Web3. Okay, so you click on that Web3. Okay, so once you click on Web3, it will load up. So if you don't have an account already, you need to create one here. So for me, I already have one. I've created one already. Okay, so once you come here, you create one for yourself. Alright, so for me, I've actually added the RLB, there's a bit here. I added it added before this video. So, but this is how you can find it. You just go to this place, this particular place. Sorry, this place. Alright, so this is where you can find it. Then click on that search icon. Then you type RLB. Alright, so RLB. This is it. So it's an Ethereum based coin. All right, so you just click on it. So once you click on it, you will see it here. All right, so you will see. So from here, this is where you can get your address. This is where you can get your address. So if you want to receive, which is what we're trying to do, this is where we get our address. So if you have it, you're already sending out. This is where you click on. So for swapping, which is what we'll also be doing, this is where you click on to swap your raw bits. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, so I've already added it here. So all you need to do like this, just click on it, then we'll go to receive. Okay, go to receive. So this is the address. All right, so this is the address which will be where we'll be sending our robot to. So I'll click on it, then I'll move over to L Bank. Let's move over to L Bank. Okay, so once your Lbank open, just click on wallets. Okay, so this is where your wallet is. This is where your wallet is. Alright, this is where your wallet is here. Okay, so just click on wallet. So once you click on wallets, you see under your assets, you find out that the Rollbit is not here. Rollbit is actually the only coin I'm holding on Lbank. So you see that Rollbit is not here, and see what my account balance is right now, 0.04 cents. Okay, so but note, this is where you find your any coin that get delisted from Lbank. This is where you find it here, exactly here. Okay, so this is where you find it here. Okay, so just click here. So this is it, and this is our roll bits. All right, so you click on the roll bits. Then the only option that will be available will be the withdraw button. That is the only option that will be available. So you click on withdraw. Okay, so once you click on withdraw, you paste in. You can see the ERC20 is up. This is an Ethereum um, network. You click on ERC20, which is what it has given to you. Then you paste your address. Remember, we've already copied our address on Binance Web3. So now we want to move everything we have here. So you can see the minimum withdrawal amount is 110. Okay, so we are moving everything all. Wow. So the network fee is crazy. This is 110 RLB. This is crazy. You know, we didn't move in this coin here. We bought USDT, then we converted. So that would have been a best option. So if we had sent RLB here, we would have spent so much. Like you can see, the gas fee is high. So why we are accepting this gas fee now is because we just want to get this money out in order not to lose everything to this platform. So we're going to click on withdraw, then confirm. Okay, so it's asking me to do verification. Okay, so email verification and Google authentication. Then I'll put my asset password. Okay, so I'll be back. Let me quickly do this. Okay, so after inputting the authentication code, so you can see I finally done the withdrawal. So it shows your withdrawal application has been successfully submitted to processing. So withdrawal will be completed in 30 minutes time. So what will happen is in 30 minutes time I'll come back again to continue this video. So I'll be stopping here. 30 minutes time I'll come back again to continue this. Okay, so you can see it has finally arrived in our Binance Web3. So you can see the value is 150 right now. That is the value of the 1000 of 1437. So we've been able to move our RLB from Lbank down to our Binance Web3 account. So I wouldn't want to continue with this video because it's already looking so long. I will do my best to make another short video showing us how to convert it or how to swap it to either Ethereum or USDT. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create more great content for you. Don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care.